the array sort project that we're going to do for today. So you're a college professor, right? And you're going to have a person enter, you're going to enter 6 test grades for a particular student. And you're going to take the average, but you're going to drop the lowest one. So what we can do is we can use a bubble sort on the grades after we enter them and sort them, and then just get the average of the top 5, which you're going to kind of ignore the lower one. And here's some test data. If you put this data in and you get 84.8 or thereabouts, right, then you know you did it right. So here is the beginning right here. So I made an array of integers, right, of 6 integers called grades. And I'm going to loop through. I'm going to have the professor enter the grades, right? Enter grade number. I starts at 0 here. So 0 plus 1 is going to be 1. So it'll say enter grade 1. And then we use the cin to enter that index of the grades, right? When we're done that loop, we have all the grades in. So now we want to sort the loop. And then we can go to our code for our bubble sort and just copy it. Control copy or command copy. And control paste. Now, again, this is a generic, so we got to change a few things. First of all, we have to change the array name. Right? Anywhere it says A here, we want to have grades, because the name of the array is grades. We don't have to change temp, because it is an array of ints. If it was an array of chars, then we'd have to change the temp to a char and so forth. What else do we have to change? We have to change this. Number of elements in an array, right? We don't want to leave that there. We want to put 6, because there's 6 grades in there. Here we want to do number of elements in an array minus 1. Right? And then we have minus I, but we just want to change this. Well, the number of elements is 6, minus 1 is 5. So that goes there. And anywhere I see A, I want to change the grades, because that's the name of my array. Here we want grades. We want grades here. We want grades here. And we want grades here. All right. So if this works, then it should go and I think I'm missing a squiggly there. All right. So that'll sort them out. And then we want to output them, right? Like it says in the, like this, your grades. And then some underlines, grade 1 through 5, and then the average. Well, let's get the average first, right? And we don't want to include the lowest. So now it's sorted. So we're going to say 4, right? We can do this. I'm going to copy that. 4 I equals 1. We're going to start at 1 here. So we're just going to ignore the lowest grade, right? It's sorted now. So we're just going to ignore the lowest grade is at index 0. Oh, and I need an int for total. Total equals 0. So I'm going to have a running total. And total is going to equal total. The new total is going to equal the old total plus grades index I, right? And then I'm going to say double av equals total divided by, now total's an int, and what we want to divide this by 5 now because we're only doing 5 grades, and 5 is an int. So either want to make this a 5.0 here, right? And or cast this to it all, because if you don't, you're going to get integer division and you're going to lose any of the decimal portion, even if you have this over here, right? This applies last. All right, so we want, how do we want to output this? Your grades. So see out. Your grades. And then L, C out. We want a little equal sign under all this. Your grades, enough to underline that. That looks good. And then I'll end L again. And then a for loop for int I equals 1, y, well, I is less than 6, I plus plus. Okay, and we're going to put C out, grade, right? We're going to put grade, and we want to put it out like this. Grade 1, colon, and so forth. Grade, and then actually we can do I here. We can just do I. And then colon and the actual grade itself, which is going to be grades index I, and then we want to skip a line, and I'll use the escape character there. Right, and then when we're done, we want to see out we'll skip a line, and average, and then we'll say av, and that should do it. Our test data here is 8878, 8878, 83, 81, 8878, 83. Let's run it. All right, let's get rid of all these errors first. Let's see out. Okay, I forgot the last squiggly for the program right here. So I have main there, then I have a for loop. I need squigglies for this right there. I gotta get rid of this guy. Let's see if that fixes it. All right, so enter grade 1, 88, 78, 83, right? 88, 78, 83, 81, 90, 82, 81, 81, 90, 82, 81, 90, 82. All right, and there it is. There are the grades sorted, right? And of course, didn't include the lowest one, which is 78, and the average is correct, 84.8. And if you get something like 84.856, depending on your compiler, don't worry about it. And that is the array sort project.